So go to IntelliJ, we have this option clone repository. So we are going to clone the GitLab repositories. So click on the GitLab. So in this token field, we need to add our personal access token from the GitLab account. Okay, so simply click on generate. So this will take you to the personal access token page in the GitLab. So we can also come to this page by using your profile. So after you log in into your GitLab, click on your profile picture, go to preferences. So on the left hand side, you will find this option access tokens. Again, we are on the same page. So let's create personal access token now. So just provide some token name. From here, we can set the expiration date for our token. So after this date, 30 April, our token will be invalid. Then from the scope section, select API, read user. And for write operation, we will require write repository as well. Okay, and then click on create personal access token. Okay, so this value you can copy and keep it somewhere on your local system because you will not be able to see it again. Okay, so I am going to copy this value, and this value we are going to add in this token field. Click on login. So this will authenticate our account and it will show all the repository, all the projects hosted on my GitLab account. Okay, so I can clone any of this project in my IntelliJ now. Okay, so we have just created this new project. So I am going to clone this one. Click on clone. So this GitLab project is available in our IntelliJ workspace.